Hello, assalamu alaikum, and marhaban. Today I'm gonna try to answer a frequently asked question. What Arab accent should I learn? Look, I'm assuming that you ruled out learning Fusha, which is modern standard Arabic. I always recommend learning Fusha first, especially if you can't make up your mind whether to learn Fusha or an accent. Because afterwards, if you decide to learn an accent, it would be easier for you. But here I'm assuming that you want to learn an accent, that you don't want to sound so formal, you want day to day talk. If you're moving to a certain Arabic country or live near an Arab community from a certain country, then the answer would be simple. Learn the accent of that country or that community. But what if you don't want to do any of that and you still can't make up your mind which accent you should learn? Well, I can suggest two accents. The first one is the Egyptian accent.
Mufshi Assur.
Looks Egyptian.
Why? Well, first of all, it's easy both to learn and to be understood by the other Arabs. Egypt has the biggest population among Arab states, and there are Egyptians all over the Arab states and around the world. All Arabs understand Egyptian accents. They even put on an Egyptian accent when they're talking to an Egyptian. So you'll be able to talk to any Arab if you learn the Egyptian accent, which means it's easy to find someone to practice with. When it comes to music, TV shows, and movies, Egypt is a pioneer among Arab states. So not only you'll have lots of people to practice with, you'll have plenty of resources to practice. Another good reason to choose Egyptian accent is that if you decide to visit Egypt or live there for a while to practice Arabic, the cost of living there is low, prices are cheap. Besides, Egyptian people are fun. They know how to have a good time even without spending a penny.
انت بتتكلم مصري؟
I'll give you two famous polyglots who chose Egyptian accent when they decided to learn Arabic. Olly Richards, who talks about language learning in general and speaks 8 languages, including Arabic, and Brian Wiles, who speaks multiple languages, also including Arabic. You can find links to their YouTube channels in the description of this video. Now, my second suggestion would be a Levantine accent. There are 4 countries in the Levant region of the Arab League: Jordan, Palestine, Lebanon, and Syria. Again, why? Well, like the Egyptian accent, they are also easy to learn and easily understood by other Arabs. There are so many Levantine people living almost in every part of the world. I mean, there are more Lebanese outside Lebanon than Lebanese in Lebanon.
My stepdad is Lebanese.
So it's easy to find someone to practice with. Besides, Levantine accents are closest to Fusha than any other accent. Should you choose to visit or live in the Levant area for a while to practice the language, then go for Jordan.
Back to Jordanians, see what air assets they've got in the area.
Not only is it stable and safe, so many Arabic learners chose it to study Arabic and practice the language.
Jordanians, we got help.
Some even chose it to live and work there. So you'll find a community of Arabic learners in Amman, and that is a big plus. It will make things easier for you and enjoyable.
Jordanian customs seized our Beretta.
So these are my thoughts. Love to read your thoughts in the comments. And I just want to say something here. This channel is created for you. If you have any questions, suggestions, or any feedback, then comment them away. Feel free to suggest a topic for my next video. Again, this channel was created for you. Also, tell me in the comments if you want me to make videos teaching Egyptian and or Jordanian accents. Keep practicing Arabic, write your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.